Hello and welcome to this short screencast demonstration that will guide you through the online application portal for CPD modules. Before you begin your application, please ensure you have met the entry requirements for your course of choice and you are adhering to the deadline for applications. You must also ensure you have all your supporting documents ready for uploading, as you will need these at the end of the application. It is important to note the module name and the program name of your course, as you will need these throughout the application process. To begin, scroll down on the CPD homepage and select Courses. This will bring you to the CPD modules page. Here you can select How to Apply. Once you're in the How to Apply page, select Online Application Portal. Once the portal opens, you are brought to a sign-in page. Here you can select Create an Account. You are then brought to a page to fill in your personal details. If you scroll down on this page, you will see a section for Program Information. This includes the module name and program name you noted before beginning your application. So underneath Academic Level, select Standalone Module, Continued Professional Development. Under College and Interest Type, select Adult Learning and CPD courses. Under Program, you select the program name that you noted before beginning your application, for example, Undergrad CPD Business CPB 8. And underneath Academic Term, in this instance, is Spring 2022. Once you have that completed, fill in your password and select Create an Account. Once you have created your account, you will be brought to your My Accounts page. Under My Applications, select Create New Application. You are then brought to the Application Listing page. Here select Adult Learning, Undergraduate, Postgraduate, CPD and Summer School applications. You are then asked if you would like to continue with the program you selected at the beginning of your application. Select Continue if you would like to complete the application, or alternatively, you can start a new application here. You are then brought to your application form. At the top of the page, there's an area to upload supporting documentation. This will be made available once you have completed your application. If you continued with the original program, some form fields will be pre-filled, as you can see here. Alternatively, if you began a new application, you will have to fill these areas as you did when you were creating your account. Under Module Name, insert the name of the module you are applying for. If you don't know or can't remember the name of your module, you can check the names here. Scroll down to Mode of Study and select Part-Time, and Location select Galway, and then you may save and continue. In the next part of the application form is where you fill in your personal details. Please ensure that your personal details match your proof of identification exactly, as this helps NUI process your application without any delay or issue. Once you've completed that, press Save and Continue. In the third section of the application form is where you fill out your educational history. If you have any third level education, underneath University and Colleges attended, select Add College and insert the college information in the text box. Below this, you insert information about your secondary school details. Below this again, if you have any other relevant qualifications, select Add Qualifications and type the name of the qualification in the text box. Below this, you have the option to specify whether or not you will be funded or sponsored for your module or course. Once you've completed this, select Save and Continue. In the test course section of the application form, you will be asked if English or Irish is your first language. If not, select No. You will then be asked if you have taken the English equivalency test. If you have, select Yes. Then you will be asked to complete the details of the test. You will be required to upload results of these tests in the supporting documents section once your application is complete. Once you've filled out this area, select Save and Continue. In the Work Experience section of the application form, you are asked to fill in any relevant work experience you may have. To do this, select Add Relevant Work Experience, complete the details, and once it's completed, select Save and Continue. Finally, in the confirmation section of the application form, you are asked to confirm that the information you have provided is accurate and if you provide consent for your data to be processed for the application process. Select Yes in each of these three areas, and then provide your signature at the bottom of the page by typing your name in the text box. You can then save your application or preview it before submission. When you select Preview before submission, you will be able to view your full application to ensure the details are correct. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Edit to edit your application, or Submit to complete your application. Once you have submitted your application, you will be brought back to your My Account page. Underneath Applications, you will see that there's an action required. Select View to view the action. You are then brought to your Upload Supporting Documentations page. Here you upload documents for your personal statement, your proof of identity, and other documents that are relevant to your application. Select Choose Files to upload the documentation that you need. Please note, for the CPD applicants, if you're applying for job stimulus courses, you must upload evidence of employment status to complete your application. Once you've completed these steps, you will receive an email with further information on your application. Follow any instructions these emails provide. Thank you and good luck.